Hello viewers, today we're going to be cleaning up the network rack a little bit. First thing we need to do is mount the internet modem. When I had the fiber internet connection installed, I just never got around to cleaning this up. So it's just kind of been hanging here by the Ethernet cord, which is not ideal. These screws that held the old modem, of course, are too large for this one. So I have new screws that we can use. And this, I believe, is the power cord for the old modem, so we can take that out of the picture. Okay. This, in theory, is designed to hang vertical, but I think I'm going to hang it horizontal, like that. And I think it'll be okay. It's not like this is going to be moving around or anything. I'm going to try to put it over these old holes because I don't like seeing those holes there. The way I usually deal with these kind of mounts is I put the screws in there and then I just try to kind of jam it on where I want it. Hopefully it makes a little indent there. It did. I have two indents there, which I know is where the screws need to go. Yes, I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just screwing in a screw. So that works fine. It's not going to fall. We could... Oh gosh, these things are such a pain in the neck. Actually, that's pretty much the right amount of depth as well. Alright, so we have the second screw. Okay, so that's in place. Now we got to do something different with this. Well, let's disconnect that because we know that's not going to stay like that. This is for the second switch, which I'm going to need very soon. Well, I've got the screwdriver out. I'm going to go ahead and tack on this extra surge protector for the phone line. I just never had gotten that set up because I couldn't find it once I moved. But I found it now, so I'll set that up. Get some surge protection onto the phone line. So maybe this can I think like that would be satisfactory. And then we'll just adjust this. Okay, this will go away soon. I'm going to replace that with a DVR, which will mount here, and these wires will just go to there. But for now this will stay, but I'm not too worried about that because it's going to go away. My fiber cable, I got to get this moved away from that pipe in a couple weeks before the heat is turned on. But for now, do something like this. Better than it was, that's for sure. Okay, and then this I think I'll take up to here and plug it in there. Oh, I can't. It's a Verticam. Well, I just have to do it like that. I don't need the other. I don't need the other outlet there, anyways. Okay, that's much better. Now let's move over here to the telephones and let's see what we can do with this surge protector. I don't think anything that we do will be ideal, but so I want the surge protector to go between the ring amplifier and the main feed. So the main feed is here, so we're going to need to get another phone cord to run from, well, I'm not sure where to even stick this thing. I think kind of like that is my only option. So if I had the phone cord come out from up the top there, it's, I'm not thrilled about that, but it'll work. Be functional. Yeah, I can live with that if I have to. Alright, let me see if I have a short phone cord. Huh. I'm a little lucky here. It's a bit longer than needed, but that's okay. Well, I guess that's not okay because it's falling down. Whoa, almost lost the video. That'll do. It's okay. Let's make sure we still have phone connection here.
M&T Bank.
We do have working phone line. That's good, which also means we have working internet. Okay, so all the changes were successful. We've added surge protection for the phone line. Keep all the telephones secure. We have mounted the internet modem. Tied up the cables. That's all good now. Today I'd like to patch in some more lines. I've got one line out to the garage, and then 2 lines into the kitchen and 1 line over to the studio I need to patch in, and that will bring us to the new switch, which means I also have to patch in the new switch. Do I even have enough ports here? I got 1 more for the switch. Alright, well, that'll be another clip. I'm not sure I'm going to get to that today. I'll try. If I do, there will be a part 2 of this video. If I don't, there will still be a part 2 of the video for another day.